to make her daughter independent more than just to get married. If she will be independent, then it will be okay. She can earn his money. She can no, she can earn her money, and no, she will not. She will no longer be burdened. So I think people in India, the father in India just take as a burden. So I don't think it's a burden. So they should encourage. They should focus on to make her daughter to make his daughter to make his daughter independent.
So you are
So that's
completely
it.
against child marriage.
Yeah.
All right. So that's it, or you want to add anything more?
No, that's it, sir. I would just finish it here.
All right. Let's hear it from Vinamrata. Right, and what she has to share with us. Vinamrata, you can go on.
Uh, Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good
It was
evening.
very pleasing to listen from everyone like they are against this child marriage.
Yeah, I mean, I'm quite happy as well.
So we will have a better future because we have mostly uh,
Mostly like socially aware citizen.
yes. So as Satyam was when saying like the Sensex data are not correct of UNICEF,
Hmm.
and mostly sample registration survey do this the kind of things. So yes, this data is of like it's too old data we are having that 47%. It is it is of like 1998 data, and recent Sensex of 2011 says that we have 2.3% now. Like rural areas, women are getting married below the age of 18. So it is a, I think it is a quite very it is a very good data.
So according to 2011, what is the
Like
current?
only two, so only 2.3% women of rural areas are marrying at the age below 18.
And this data is issued by?
Like that Jangarna, what we do on that basis.
You're talking about the census
And now
report.
yes, sir.
But 2% is yes,
I don't think so.
2%. I believe
2.3%, sir. It is.
you're saying that there is no data about the metro, about the urban areas. It is only happening, or maybe like.
So it is.
Mhm.
So it is of women of rural areas, and like mostly it is showing like 52.2% they are having the women who are above the age of 21, they are getting married.
52%.
52.2%
So what
of
about?
2011 Sensex is showing this data.
No, well, I mean, you're saying if it is 52% are getting married above the age of 18,
Sorry, 21, not 18.
20, 21.
21. Yeah. Like they are thinking like when they're getting married above 21 age, then they are legally valid. They have their own consent and they are capable. And if they are below like 18 age, then they are incapable of giving a legal consent. Like
Legal consent to
It's
marriage.
against legal.
But
It's
even
illegal.
Satyam was not at all close to the data. He said it could be around 30%.
so that 30% was in 2005.
30% was in 2005.
That was my
Yeah.
hello.
So it means India is technically child marriage free country.
No,
No, sir, it is not. But when
I
we
don't
say
believe. I'll also research this. I don't think so. 2.3% could be a
because it's
correct
census
data.
of 2011 it is saying, so get the reliable data and do update us
60
also.
crore, 2%. Sir, 2% of 60 crore is very high.
Man, I mean, we are not talking about crores. We are talking about percentage. Earlier, we had 48%.
Exactly.
So it was
Sir,
of
child marriage is
1998
not
UNICEF
issue at all.
data.
Child marriage is not an issue.
It is. It
These days, child
is.
marriage is not an issue. I think there are
So-
some propaganda, you can say activists, they are saying these things. Child labor
Sir,
is the issue this time, like
Sir,
not child marriage.
earlier it was, but we have seen the cases of Haryana, like they have introduced some of the project also. What my daughter, my well. Type.
Yeah, Haryana and Punjab, they run a lot of.
So
So
nowadays
male,
this
I
child marriage
believe
is mostly in Jharkhand, and the rate in what this data says is about 14.1% is there.
All right, we will. Talk about the statistics some other days. I mean, maybe tomorrow we can do our research and development, and then we can discuss the data. Moreover, let's consider it a topic of discussion. And what would you like to say on the same?
So the biggest reason of this child marriage is poverty in India, and also the socio-economic conditions which like every individual is facing. And it is true, like they want to protect their daughter, so they want to be set. Like I'm talking about the parents, they want to be free from their responsibility as soon as early they can.
As early as possible.
As early as possible, yeah. Yes, sir. So
Okay. So, which state are you from, Vinamratam? Like, are you from which, like UP, Delhi? Where are you
yes,
from?
sir, I'm from UP.
Have you ever any idea about the villages? Like, as Satyam was sharing his opinion, what he has experienced in his villages. Any particular experience that you have?
So I have seen people like they are fixing marriage as soon as they feel like their child is ready, and yeah, it is true. Like they want to set free about their responsibilities, and they don't think of giving higher education to the children, to the girl child too. Like if she has done 10, then it is more than enough. And if she wish to do like 10 plus 2, then they will say like in that way, like they are doing some like courtesy type thing. Okay, I will let you do this higher education. But they also have a thought like what else they will do if they will get a higher education. Then we will have a problem in finding the right spouse for them, because although we are spending money on their education, although we are spending money on their education, but we have to give dowry as well. So they don't take the pain to educate a girl child, because they have this thought very clear that they have to spend the money in their marriage as well.
Sir, I want to share something.
Go on. Vinamrata, I believe you're done.
Yes, sir.
Let's hear it from Sanchit. Go on, Sanchit.
I am from UP as well, and I'm not from a village, but it's a town, and there are 26 or 27 villages around my town.
Okay.
So that one incident which has happened with me as well. I had a crush on girl when I was in my town, and we were studying in graduation, and she got married when we were in graduation. So my unfortunately ना हो सके father-in-law break my heart.
Not good to be father-in-law.
Yeah. So my crush was crashed that time. So,
That's cool.
totally crashed. And because we were studying, she was also doing BA and I was doing BCom that time, and it was quite uh, hard to digest me that she got married that time, because I was quite young and emotional for all those things.
How old was she at that time, if you can recall?
So she was around 19 and 20, because we were in I just completed, I hope, my graduation, or I was in graduation, or she definitely was pursuing graduation. I totally remember this.
I mean, she was in her 20s, or
Yes, yes,
maybe late 19s.
yes, around it. So unfortunately, that marriage, her marriage did not work out, and now she got married with some other guy. That's is something different. What I want to share, that with Ankal, I used to go with my father on, because he's a businessman. So we got that marriage card from that villager side who are our customer. So I used to go with my father, and we usually say that I have seen this, that when the girl got married, so the culture is quite different in villages. They have a like long ghungat, and she's quite young, and I think the age is not so uh, like late 20. It's under 20 when I used to go with my father for that lunch or dinner for those marriages. And again, when I was doing MBA, then the girl who were doing MBA, they are still not in jobs right now. Like they are serving, they are working as a housewife as well. I hope this is a sad for our society as well. After doing MBA, they are not doing job, or just they are
Hmm.
helping in only household things. And again, one point I want to highlight, that I have remembered that around 10 to 20 names who are in Delhi or out of India from my town, that they are doing well in their career. But I hardly remember any female name, because it's a quite small town. So we generally know each and everyone in our town. So I hardly remember any female name who's doing well in her career. So I don't remember a single name. If I will talk about, if I will count that male names, so I can count 10 to 15 names right now. So it's quite disheartening for our society, I think.
All right. Thank you very much. I mean, we got to know some ground level reality, what is exactly happening. All right. So, anybody else who would like to say or add anything? I mean, now we are welcome to share like opinion. There is no restrictions like one has to keep quiet or something. Anyone can talk.
Yeah. I have a point.
Go on.
I just found some uh, article related to national child. Wait a second. National Plan of Action for Children 2016. I'm talking about 2016. So I'll share the whole thing on group, and the plan related to child. There are many plans because this is related to children only. But one plan is to reduce child marriage to 21%. So if they are planning to reduce it to 21% in 2016, how it can be 2.3% in 2011? So this is a very big problem. I'll research it now because I am a little bit shocked listening this 2.3%. So yeah, yes, Satya.
Just check the organization who compiled this data.
Yeah,
Which organization has compiled the data?
Ministry of Women and Children Development. I am studying on this, Government of India.
Oh, I believe this
Ministry
is
of Child Affairs.
Yeah.
What?
Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India.
Oh.
So I'll study this, but I'm just saying this. I read some article abhi turant. So I'll study the whole article first and the national plan first. But I believe that this is a problem because there is a dialogue in some movie. I don't remember कि जहाँ आप मेट्रो सिटी में रहते हैं वहां से 100-200 किलोमीटर बाद असली भारत शुरू होता है. So I totally believe this. Yeah, that
I
there
agree
are.
because my town is 100 kilometers far from that Delhi. So that scenario is totally different. That here I am staying, and that atmosphere in my town is totally different, 100% different.
I'll share some real incidents because my dad is from Bihar, so and we are from this caste system and everything. We have seen this. He has shared this. So people, dads from lower caste marry their daughters because someone from upper caste or some rich families boys are looking upon that girl. So there are too many reasons because we think that they just like Ravi said that they feel like burden because they are under pressure of getting raped or too many things, too many problems India is facing and they are facing. So not the, they are just transferring their responsibility to another guy or another family. Now she is their responsibility, and we have seen these things in we have must read the newspaper, and we know there are too many cases related to this thing.
I agree with Prince.
Acid attack. If we see the acid attack cases, most of the girls, if we talk about Lakshmi Agarwal, she's the activist now. But most of the cases, the Jharkhand case, that girl who asked for euthanasia because the guy जो उनके छत पे आके एसिड डाला, he is outside after 7 years and she is still have the same face. So she came to Delhi and she asked for a euthanasia to the president. So because if any father in cities, beautiful daughter is a pride, but in villages beautiful daughter is a threat. If we check the real India, and this is truth, and I think yes.
I shared my
Yes.
mom's experience that my grandfather said, अगर तुझे कुछ हुआ ना तेरा गला नदी में काट के बहा दूंगा.
Exactly.
When she shown her desire for further study, then my grandfather only ready on condition this that अगर मुझे कुछ भी complaint आई किसी भी तरह की, मैं तेरी गर्दन काट के नदी में बहा दूंगा. वहां पास में एक नदी बहती है. So
My mother, yeah,
this threat my mother has like she studying in this threat, and with his brother she used to go with his school every day. If his brother is not well, my maternal uncle is not well, she didn't go school.
All right,
my mother also got married at 16 she got engaged, and 17 she got I was there at with her at 17, and my
Yes, same with my
grandmother
mom.
was got married at 13. Means my maternal
Same with my mom.
grandmother.
Everyone thinks that she is my sister. When we go to mall and I say, "Mommy, how can a lady, young lady, because she is
Yeah,
young." So
it's very tough for that
he's
girl to manage
big
the
boy.
kids in a very small age. And there is two main other issues. Means due to this child marriage, there is a polygamy problem also in our society, and the second one is prostitution.
Yes.
It's prostitution. These are the very big issues which are interrelated with this. And the second thing, when from Bangladesh there are some women, the men from Rajasthan, and there are many village who are rich, so they buy girl from Bangladesh and other state to matlab,
This is
multiple
happening in
marriage they
India
are in.
also. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a part of India, and
Yeah.
means they have kids, and then they after again they got married with other girls, and they again they have kids. Then this is a circle.
Satyam, Vinamrata, would you like to add anything
Yes,
more?
sir. Sir, personally,
No, sir.
I personally believe
Sir,
that today. Hello,
sir,
Yes.
I want to leave.
sir.
Can I leave right
Pers-
now? I have
Yes.
some.
Yeah. Sure. You can go.
Thank, thank,
See you tomorrow.
yeah, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, bye,
Bye.
guys.
sir, I,
Bye.
bye.
Yes. Satyam, go
Sir,
on.
personally, I believe that child marriage is not a big issue as like the gender inequalities, gender pay gap, and the child labor. These are the big issue, not child marriage, because we have seen a drastic change in the last 10-20 years about the child marriage issue. And government, I don't think government has any social scheme totally specific to the child marriage. Scheme is specific to the girls' education, girls saving the girls, what you say, increasing the sex ratio. These things are sanitizing the girls and the boys. Not any. I don't see
Sanitizing?
any. It's totally sanitizing the awareing the boys and girls about the respecting others,
Okay, you're talking about
other
the basic.
sex,
Or you're talking about the basic hygiene and all.
general awareness issue.
Okay.
Yeah, general awareness issue.
Mm-hmm.
And even in Bihar, I saw the government of India is giving a lot of benefit who got married after 18. Like they are giving some cash transfer to the girls who got married after 18. So most of the girls is going to get married after 18 because they think that 10,000 is very big for them because they are earning 100 or 150 rupees per person in family by the Manrega or anything, and they are getting 10,000 for the girls getting married after 18 years. Then that's a big deal. And apart from that, in Bihar, girls are getting a lot of benefit if you pass the class 10 exam and class 12 exam. So certainly these things are working as initiative to decrease the rate of child marriage and also increase the girls' education. And certainly it will help in the workforce ratio. So today's time it's become, I think, backseat issue, not front seat issue.
All right.
But it is prevalent in some part, not every part, and it's prevalent in the South Asia, not whole India. South Asia, some countries are in South Asia there it is very prevalent, and some African countries. Our India's track record is not average. It's average, not very bad.
Mm-hmm.
There is less girls
Yes, sir.
child also, na? The population of girls going down. So might be this is a reason.
No.
Means they the
Last year, that is increasing. Earlier was increasing, but now
population
it's
increasing. Na? Population increase.
and
This is
I'm
the
saying
reason.
about sex ratio. Haryana has
So the stage is all yours.
I totally believe this. Agree with this Satyam's this point that
Yeah.
child marriage is not the up.
But it's
What
a
word
problem,
you?
but not a
Yeah, it is a problem, and government. I believe that
yeah, but
gender
by
can't
time
see
child marriage is a part of gender inequality because if we see the number of child marriages, there are more girls than boys. So if we start treating them equally, giving them opportunity equally, this problem is going to abolish itself. So it is
yeah,
a
or
part of gender inequality.
education part also increased. This is a reason why matlab, in village also the people are eager to matlab, being educated, their family and the members.
Yeah.
So this is the reason why, because if we are going to be educated and smart how to manage our family or our thought and what is good for us in future, so these issue vanished itself basically.
So actually, sir, there is one more reason about why there is a lot of girls getting married below 18 and not boys. The reason is physiological differences between the both sexes,
Obviously.
biological differences or physiological differences. This is also one of the factors behind the girls getting married at very tender age rather than boy getting married at tender age.
So why this why
No,
this
but
these differences are like I mean
but
it is everywhere in
these
the world. It is not only in India,
What?
I would say.
yeah, it's or and it matlab these
No, no,
differences are in wealthy families also. Why child
no,
marriage
no.
is not
You will, if
there
you go
in
anywhere,
wealth?
no, in world go anywhere, you will find the male in marriage, male are older and the female are younger. In most cases, I'm not saying every cases, most cases, majority of the cases, everywhere it is found. So if girls is 17 years old, then
Because
certainly she will
because
be expecting
because
bride
Pati is
of
Parmeshwar, na,
more
so
than
Parmeshwar
17
can be younger than her.
Yeah, this
what?
is matlab stereotype
No,
thinking
no.
we
This,
are
but the government's age
No,
limit
no,
is
this is the
also the
same.
same thing, that boy is 21 and girl is 18. So the difference is already, because this biological factor is there. I also believe this.
I don't believe because
Biological
it's
plus I think mental maturity is also there. A girl of 18 can be mature than a boy of 20 or 21. I believe this also.
I believe it's all
This is
the
my
part of culture and the society, the upbringing of a girl and a boy in a family also. If we see in our family how our parents or elder treat a girl and a boy, it's depend all in that. Means biological is not there, and as we see our culture background, there is a means boy is there. Our society is male dominant society, and they need means they have if means it's we see women as a object basically.
Correct.
But
Yeah,
now we are
this is
making movies
my
like Thappad.
yeah, we are making movies because we are in progressing period means and like Priyanka
That's
Chopra and these kind of peoples who are leading in their career, they are willing to get married from the they are going to break these kind of stereotypes basically. So there is
that's
no
very true.
biological issue things. I am not believing in that.
Mhm. All right, so let's wind up for the day. It's almost 9:15 now. Tomorrow, I am thinking of going for a pronunciation or a vocabulary session. Let's see what I decide, or maybe like followed by a speaking activity.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Great, sir.
Anybody else would you like to say at the end? I hope today's discussion was okay and better than yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yesterday was bit
Vinamrita,
bitter actually as compared.
Vinamrita
But
said that
we, yeah,
this thing, that she is
we,
happy and you also yeah, because yeah, now because India is a developing country, so we are
yeah,
developing, not developed,
yeah.
but we are trying to.
Yes,
Yeah, we are in progressing period.
yeah,
Yeah,
we are in
Yeah, we
progress.
can
Maybe
change many
me,
things by our
maybe
thoughts.
maybe Satyam
yeah.
or me
Reality. True.
or anyone is doing some sexist joke or doing some sexist activity, but we are trying to, obviously, because we are studying
Doing.
or we are awareing ourselves.
Yes.
All right.
And we are still struggling in this kind of means we are in the society where is lots of means
I mean,
we have barricades with us.
I'm really very happy to listen to you all. I mean, you all have mentioned, I mean, and highlighted very good points, which is
Thank you, sir.
really quite
Thank you.
appreciating.
Thank you.
And it is quite happy to see like people are aware of. I mean, as we were discussing the statistic, which means we know, which means
Yes.
we are studying.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is not what is being fed to us, and we are ready for everything.
Yes, sir.
This is also a very good thing.
Yeah.
All right.
We are the youth, sir. We have to
Yes.
oppose
So
the
most of the time, sir, we get aware from this conversation also, like when
I
we
mean,
had.
Yeah.
yeah.
yes. I mean,
Yes.
that.
It's a
I
quite
mean,
good.
the
Yes.
democracy is based on discussion. I mean, every bill is passed in the parliament, discussion in both the houses, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Except today's scenario, like where the party is in majority. No offense to the ruling party. Right. That's all for the day. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your.
Thank
Yes, sir. I want to add a line for Namrita. Namrita, please be with us because I miss you a lot when you
Oh,
were not with us.
my pleasure.
Okay. Say thank you.
All right. Bye and
Okay,
good
sir.
night.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Good
Good night,
night.
everyone. Bye.
Bye bye. Good night, everyone.
Good night.